With over 100 billion neurons, the human brain is the most complex structure known to man. From the moment you enter the world, your brain, like a sponge, absorbs the world around you, forming an intricate network of thought and memory pathways. By the time you reach your late 20s, however, your brain begins to slowly lose function. If left unchecked, every year your brain has the potential to lose 1% of its mass. This loss accumulates. You won't begin to see the effects until your late 60s, when dementia and other degenerative conditions begin to appear. However, there is a way to stop and even reverse neural degeneration. For many years now, exercise has been proven to do wonders for overall brain health. Benefits include
sharper memory skills,
higher concentration levels and learning ability,
more fluid thinking,
improved executive control processes, which include multitasking, planning, and decision-making,
reduced stress and overall emotional stability,
and maintaining brain function well into old age. But how exactly does exercise improve brain function?
It all starts with the brain's ability to develop new neuronal connections, also known as neuroplasticity. A secreted protein, BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, is a key compound in neurogenesis, or the creation of new brain cells. Exercise has been shown to significantly increase and maintain levels of BDNF, promoting growth of the hippocampus, the area of the brain responsible for learning and memory. Insulin-like growth factor 1 is another compound that plays a role in brain neurogenesis and plasticity. It too is stimulated by exercise.
Putting the time in on the elliptical machine creates rich capillary beds not only in your quads and glutes, but also within your brain cells. More blood vessels in your brain and muscles mean more oxygen and nutrients to help your brain perform at its highest level. Physical activity benefits emotional stability as well. Working out stimulates serotonin and dopamine production, neurotransmitters that bathe the brain, priming it for high performance. In addition, exercise has been shown to reduce anxiety and improve mood by increasing stress resistance. Monica Fleschner, director of the Stress Physiology Lab at the University of Colorado, explains this connection.
Exercise is inherently an applied stress to the body. Stress levels are often gauged by measuring levels of cortisol, a steroid hormone synthesized near the adrenal gland. With increasing conditioning, more exertion is required to trigger cortisol production. This may be why people who are sedentary are less emotionally stable than people who are in shape.
So far, all we said is go exercise. But what kind of exercise exactly is the best for maintaining brain function?
For optimal mental wellness and productivity, experts recommend 3 to 5 45-minute sessions with moderate to intense physical activity per week, around 75% of your maximal heart rate.
Exercises such as running,
Cycling,
swimming,
or cross-country skiing are optimal exercises for your brain. More stationary exercises such as weightlifting or yoga,
while beneficial for overall bodily health, are less effective at stimulating BDNF production. So, would even more exercise correlate with higher brain function?
Actually, too much exercise can have a negative effect. Prolonged activity puts the brain under great amounts of strain. This decreases memory and functionality. When pushed too far, the endocrine system escalates cortisol production, putting the nervous system into overdrive. In short, more intense efforts can temporarily compromise memory and information processing. Your exhausted brain rapidly depletes glucose and other nutrients you need, leaving your brain on standby until it can repair itself.
So to review,
exercise makes you smarter.
Don't overdo it.
And remember, get out there. Your brain will thank you.